Hello, I'm Henry. Let's review my trade on Ripple today. First, let me break down my charts. This upper chart area are candlesticks. This middle gray area, this is volume indication. And this blue area at the bottom, this is momentum. We'll start back here. We've got the US open. This is the time frame that is in this area. We've got momentum to the sellers, and we can see up here, this line up here, this is S3, a Camarilla pivot. This line down here is S4, the Camarilla pivot. We can see the activity at the open. Sellers are able to move the price of Ripple from S3 mid-level and then down to S4 where it broke below. My signal to go short is if a currency pair sells off below the S4 level, and we can see it does so here around the lunchtime hour, and we can see a lot of activity here, a lot of sellers in control of momentum here. Here at around about 12:35, 12:40, we test and break through the level here at S4. I put a stop right above this isolated pivot right here and took my entry. It pulled back, retested this S4 level. I took a second position here, and we can see it held S4 pretty well. We've got some pullback. We've got these 3 dojis here and a few more smaller candles here. We can see that momentum shifted to the buyers, but sellers were able to regain momentum and keep the price level below S4. So this to me was a good sign that sellers were in control here, and now they were able to move the price below and away from S4. So we'll follow along here. We got another breakdown here. We can see sellers take over momentum, move the price down. And then we'll move over to here. We have the crypto market open that's happening right here. We can see we have a lot of activity right now, and sellers seem to be in control. If we look at this momentum indicator right now, sellers are putting a lot of pressure onto Ripple right now. Very large volume profile. Approaching the volume profile from the breakout here during the lunchtime hour yesterday in the market. Let's take a look on the daily here. So we can see Ripple had a pretty big day before yesterday. Gave most of it all back yesterday, and today we're already moving lower. Since this is the open here, with a lot of activity, so it looks like right now the sellers may have it, but we'll see how it goes. But thank you for checking out my trade, and see you next time.